In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to log in to TD Insurance Account 2025 step by step. Let's start by opening a trusted web browser on your computer or mobile device and heading to the official TD Insurance My Insurance login page. For security, make sure the address shows the td.com domain name and that you see the secure lock icon in the address bar. If you arrived here from a search engine or an email, take a second to confirm it's the real site before you sign in. A quick tip, consider bookmarking the login page so you can return to it safely next time without hunting around. On the sign-in screen, you'll see the fields where you enter your information. There are two ways to log in, and which one you use depends on how your account is set up. If you already bank or invest online with TD using EasyWeb or WebBroker, you can sign into My Insurance with that same username or your access card number, along with your existing password. This is the simplest option if you prefer one set of credentials across services. If you created a separate login just for My Insurance, enter that unique username and password instead. Take your time here, double check for typos, make sure caps lock isn't on, and be mindful of any special characters in your password. If your browser offers to autofill your details and you're on a personal device you trust, that can save time. On a shared device, it's best to type them in manually. Once your credentials are in, select the login button. If everything matches, you'll be taken to your account dashboard. From here, you can review your policies, download documents, check billing details, and manage your insurance information in one place. If the page takes a moment to load, that's normal. Give it a second, especially on mobile or a slower connection. If you encounter an error, pause and confirm you use the right login option, either your EasyWeb or WebBroker credentials or your My Insurance specific login. Verify the spelling of your username or access card number and try your password again. Many login pages include links to recover a forgotten username or reset a password if needed. Also, ensure you're on the official site, try refreshing the page, or switch to another browser if something seems off. For best results, keep your browser updated. Consider using a reputable password manager, avoid signing in on public computers, and remember to log out when you're finished. And that's it. Quick, secure, and straightforward.